Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna login page not loading issue. First, check your internet connection and refresh the page. If you're using a browser, clear the browser cache and cookies and try again. You can also try opening the login page using a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions or old data can block the page from loading. Then if you're using the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, wait for a few while, swipe it completely away and then reopen it. If also head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for Klarna and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so it is very important to update it. Then that's how you fix the Klarna login page not loading.